Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have two packages here. This one is an Amazon package. I can't show you the front because they put the label over their little label, but these are from DIY Nail Shack. I didn't get any in May, and I thought, okay, you know, no big deal. Deanna's been so grateful to send them to me, but I did get one for June, so very grateful. So I figured I would share it with this other package, which is also nail related. So this is what I see this month. So you get the little paper, which gives you all their info, tips and tricks, all that kind of stuff. And in the past, I have shared these in giveaways once I collect a few sets. So I was always, you know, giving back what was given to me. I would keep like a set or so every so often. So this is the little pack. It's rubber banded with a little thank you sticker, and I won't pull that apart. Cute nail file and a cuticle pusher, cute purple. And the sets, oh, these are cute. These are like a really light, like teal. Right there. These are really cute. Dark blue, some like mid-tone blue, like maybe this color blue, and some florals. Adorable. These are cute, like peachy and pink combination. I'm hoping that these are turning out, that you can see them. I'm trying to watch the lights overhead. These are probably my favorite, like a pink, like literally sparkle right there. So these are the 4 sets from Nail Shack that she so kindly sent to me. Love these. I'm just going to band them back up. Hopefully they'll go back with the paper and stick it back in the bag. So thank you, Deanna. Grateful for you sending them to me from DIY Nail Shack. Next, I have another nail package, and this is from Amazon, and Nicole from, and I'm not sure how to say this, BuriBuri, B-U-R-I, on Amazon. And she asked if I was interested in receiving a few products to try for my nails and to share here. So I picked out the shades that I wanted. So in this little package right here, this says 3 colors solid gel nail polish. Been wanting to try some gel besides all the dip. I tried the Azure Beauty. Let's see if I can reach. They're over here. I don't want to like fall off the chair. These right here from Azure Beauty. These pots are so tiny. You put your finger, and I had to take it off because the color was supposed to be a pink. I don't know what she's doing. Oreo, you okay? All right. It's supposed to be like a pink, and it came out like purple red, and I'm like, no. These pots are so small that when you put your finger in, everything overflows. And it's not that the product is no good. I just need to find bigger pots to put these into so that when I dip, I'm not wasting half of the jar, because these are tiny as it is. So I can't even give a fair review on them because I just couldn't. I had to take it off when I didn't like the color. And I wasted so much of the product. Now, I'm okay with that one color, wasting it, because I probably wouldn't use that again anyway. But I'll just find some jars, like go to Michael's or like a craft store, and just try to find like a little bit bigger to put that in, and then I could at least use them. So this first product here, this is what this looks like. It's a little tiny jar. And you can see right here, and I do believe this just unscrews. And this is so interesting. It does have a seal on it, so we'll just pop that off temporarily. And these are the colors. I don't think it's gonna, these are the colors. And this is 005. Let's see if that'll focus on the colors. So it's like neutral, a light green, and like a mauve. And this is gel polish in a solid form. And you use a brush, and there is a brush. I did get another kit. There is a brush, and I could just use like a small little brush, you know, from all my brushes. And you take it and you dip into it. So I would just take a little bit at first, and you just brush it on like you would polish that's liquid, but now this is a solid, and it dries very fast. This has very low odor. It's not very strong. It's not like some polishes are very, very strong in scent. So I'm just going to put this back on to keep it like a tight seal until I was waiting for these to come to do my nails, but then I was like, oh, I need to get them done. So I will use this stuff the next time if I could get this back on properly. Probably not. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Kinda. No, that's not on. And you just like paint it on, and it dries relatively fast. I have my phone out here. Like a lot of the reviews are very good, great quality, beautiful mud gel, super pigmented. You know, I like it, fabulous. And they do, I don't know if you guys can see, like here's some other color options. These are great for nail art. Let me show you some food. Like here's some other tones that you can get. You can get 3 pans, 4 pans. I don't know if that's the same brand, so I'm not going to show it. I don't think that is. Sometimes they mix other brands. There is like a little video right there, and this is on Amazon there, but they're showing like some nail art. Where did I see the nail art? Like here's like some brown and neutral tones there. Oh, here's one, like 3-in-1 solid cream gel, and they did a whole bunch of nail art. I will put, you know, in my description box a link. Easy to apply, LED or UV lamp needed. Is that true that it's needed? I thought it was a not needed. Maybe you do need it. Okay, then it is. I wasn't sure if it was needed or not needed, but I do have one. So now that's good. It says non-toxic, purified. It's made with purified water, mineral pigments, natural resin. But here it shows you did all kinds of cool nail art. Like that would be interesting to do. Like I think I showed you that, like that pan. And they have, let me come up here because this is all the same company. I don't know. Oops, I went too far. I wanted to try to come back here. I'm just gonna, because they have tons of others that I want to show you. If I could find them. Right here. Is it going to open? Like there's so many options. I will link all this in my description box. So that's the first one that I was sent. And the other one is here. It comes in a nice little box so you can see the name. And this is a nail gel set. And this is when you open it. So now this one comes with a little brush, but I could use this little brush on that. So let's see. Let's take this off. I'm going to leave that on, but it's just a tiny little brush here. Don't know what the consistency is. Pretty stiff, not super soft. So this came with 6 colors, and I'll show you the 6 in here. I'm just going to see if I can pull. Yeah, that's much easier to pull that out. So this one, they have numbers on the bottom, and it just like it's kind of hard to solid cream gel. I forget the set name that I picked. And this is here. This is a real light lavender. I'll get photos of all these at the end. These are a little bit bigger pots. Same theory, but this is like several colors together. And then this one is a little darker purple. Really pretty. For summertime. I always was curious about gel, and then was leery, but then I'm like, well, I'm using technically the acrylic powder, so it's still, I'm putting all that on my nails anyway. This is like a rose pink color, really pretty. I am so excited. As soon as these nails get changed, I'm going to be using these because I've been dying. Here's a real light, like Barbie doll pink almost, like bubblegum pink, maybe not Barbie doll, bubblegum pink, pretty. And then the fifth one is like a deeper, like burgundy-ish color, like a reddish, like that kind. Probably not going to use that one. You know, you might get one that you're not thrilled with. And then this looks white, but it's not. It's like a real pale, pale blue. It's really, really cool. I mean, it really does look white. I actually looked it up thinking, oh, did I get the wrong set? But that's not a white. Unless it is and I'm missing it. So let me see if I can find them. Oh, did I just pass it? No, come back. Come back. Here it is. Now these, and you can get these in solids or glitters. Like here's the glitter. Oops, I want to cover that up. Here's like a glitter set. You can, here's a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little bit better on the coloring. Let me just try to see. I think getting all the, I know that they have tons of colors. Oh, here's another one. This is the same company. I just clicking on them so I can bring them up and share them with you. So here's like pretty, like pink, purple, green, light blue, and some yellows. Tons and tons of colors. Here's like a good one that would be, I mean, you could use it now. A great like fall one right here. I am so, and that's just a few, just to name a few. Now I got to try to get these back in here. I popped the insert out. I figured that might be easier than trying to get them out. Let's get these all back in here. I don't care about the order. So this is how it comes packaged. So you get your little brush. And I won't put prices. I'll just let you click on it. They're not expensive by any means, but prices change like almost day to day on Amazon. I mean, we all know that much. So they're not expensive considering it's polish. I mean, this is 6 different colors, and you can mix and match them for like nail art, several different color nails. I like it comes in a cool little box. And this, like if you went on vacation, this is easy to take with you if you needed to do repairs. Now, and you can get little tiny, like of the lamps that like fold in and you just plug them in. They're real tiny little ones. I have a normal one. I'm excited for these. I really am. I don't want to open that again because that was hard to close. So thank you so much to Nicole for sending these out to me. I can't wait to try them. And as soon as this comes off, probably in another week or so, I just did them this past week. And it is towards the end of June. Maybe like the first week in July or around there, I'll try. I would love to like try some of the more pink tones and just, you know, have fun. You know, I was always strictly polished and was afraid to try the, you know, the dip powders because that's acrylic, technically acrylic powder, and it hardens and all that stuff, even though you don't need a lamp for that, but it still hardens and you have to soak them off. My nails survived fine, and no, you know, I don't see any damage to them like on the nail, because sometimes, you know, when things are going on inside your body or damaged nails, you can see it in your nail. Fine, my nails are still pretty hard. I don't have real soft nails. They were a little too long, and doing some outside work, I was breaking them, and I'm like, oh, so I had to cut them all back, which I like to do anyway. I like to keep them shorter now. So I'm not afraid to try the gel. Plus, I've been looking at gel polish, and then when she contacted me, and I was like, oh, but this is not a polish. So, you know, with things, when you have to set them, you have to be dead on that you don't have any like flooding of the cuticle or any on the side, like of the skin on the side of your nails. You really got to make sure you're spot on. Where I think with these kinds of products, it'll be a lot easier because it's not a liquid. So you can be a little bit more precise. And I don't know, I'm going to have to read more into it to see like how much playtime do I have. You know, obviously I'll do one at a time until I get used to it and the right way to do it and harden it and see how it goes. And but I'm excited to try. So thank you, Nicole. I greatly appreciate you for sending me this stuff out to try. I will leave everything linked down below. And don't forget about Nail Shack. Thank you, Deanna, for sending this set out. Greatly appreciate it. Love, love, love that pink set. Thanks for watching, everyone. And don't forget, description box for all the details. Have a great day. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye now.